How are you?
Good.
Hi guys. Good to see you. Can I have my
I think most people have stopped the call thinking 20 hours.
No, they have not. I think our morning ka hoga. Dheere dheere know about the evening. I'm in the midst of a couple of business meets going on, but it's okay. So you can see it's a lovely. This is the Taj Santa Cruz which I was last week. So ठीक चल रहा है सब. You tell me how things with you guys.
Good. Just day goes well. The evening then start without being hungry. I feel like without feeling hungry.
I
So
can't hear you.
that
Say that again.
sorry.
Say that again. What you're saying?
The whole day goes so well with my one lunch at 3 p.m. and just that evening without being hungry, I'm tempted to eat, and I do tend to eat a few.
हाँ, so don't force feed. If you're not hungry, never eat.
No.
Always eat with hunger. Never eat without hunger. Not a good thing to do. But I'm glad you're doing fine. You're looking good and energetic. That's more important. I'm on a bad signal. That's why I put my thing on mute.
Right.
But Yakul, how are you, man?
बहुत बढ़िया.
क्या स्कोर चल रहा है? चेक किया कैसे?
आज तो खाना नहीं मैंने खाया. आज I had fruits for lunch. Didn't feel like eating anything. कोई भूख हुई नहीं, craving नहीं हुई, कोई मन भी नहीं किया. तो I am missing and fruits. Tonight I'll have steamed salad.
हाँ, जो क्रेविंग भी नहीं है तो बहुत बढ़िया. और कल मन करेगा तो दबा के खाना जो मन करे. Go with the body. So in the 21 days you've done it so beautifully now that कभी सोचा नहीं था जिंदगी में कि पूरा दिन आदमी खाने के बिना निकल जाएगा.
Correct. अब मैं इनफैक्ट बताऊं, अब ये यूजिंग करना ज्यादा इजी हो गया एज कम्पेयर टू खाना.
Yeah.
It is so convenient. नहीं कुछ है, दाल पानी पी लो, बाहर जाके जूस पी लो, कुछ भी कर लो.
What do you exactly do? I didn't get it.
I run a company. We're into big data and research, and we work primarily with the broadcast sector, with the digital entertainment sector, and we've got a consumer research division. आप Google करना Chrome DM, CHROME DM. ये लिखा है लोगो Chrome DM.
I got
मेरी
it.
कंपनी है. If you Google Chrome DM, आपको सारे डिटेल मिल जाएगा about what we do. So that's all part of it. Is what you guys keep doing.
Talking to another friend.
हाँ, just one second. हाँ. So ये चल रहा है सारा. God is kind. I mean, and I'm glad. I mean, it's working out because over the last क्या बताऊं तुम्हें, पिछले 3-4 साल में मैंने इतना R&D कर लिया है. There's a guy called BM Hegde. If you Google his videos, BM Hegde, वो clearly बोलते हैं that the biggest failure of the last century is modern medicine. It's the biggest failure. He says medicine has failed miserably, and पहले मेरे को बहुत awkward लगता था बात सुनने में कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. हार्ट किसका खराब है तो हार्ट सर्जरी करा लो, बाईपास करा लो, बैक में कुछ करा लो. Medicine is only killing people left, right, and center. And doctors are the biggest cause of death. There was an interview in the US which says what is the biggest cause of maximum deaths in the US? Is it diabetes or is it cancer or is it what? They said it is the prescriptions given by medical professionals, doctors. So कुछ है ही नहीं. ये पिछले 100 साल में एक व्यापार बन गया है. उस व्यापार ने पूरे सबको घेर रखा है. एंड कोई सोच ही नहीं सकता था यार कि हम पूरा दिन खाने बिना रह लेंगे. अब एक जानवर होता है, इफ देयर इज अ डॉग, उसकी तबीयत खराब होती है तो वो क्या करता है, खाना पीना बंद कर देता है. एंड ही गोज एंड पार्क्स हिमसेल्फ इन द सन, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड. सो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि ये एक बहुत ही कभी सोचा नहीं था. कुत्ता भी ये क्या करता है, अपना खाना पीना छोड़ देता है, इफ यू हैव अ पेट. और वो क्या करता है, कुत्ता धूप में लेट जाता है. राइट. ये तो इंट्यूटिव पावर्स एक कुत्ते में भी हैं. डॉग, वी डोंट हैव इट. वी आर ईटिंग ऑल द टाइम एंड वी आर फॉलोइंग सिक. मेरी हालत बीच में कितनी खराब हुई थी. इन 2019 एंड बैक इश्यूज, MRI, ये टेस्ट वो टेस्ट कर करके फिर मेरे को बहुत 2-3 साल बाद एहसास हुआ, कोई भी टेस्ट कर लो आज, कोई भी, तुम किसी को भी बुला लो, उसका फुल हेल्थ चेकअप कर लो, उसके 2-4 पैरामीटर्स गलत निकलेंगे.
Somebody has very rightly sent a picture in the group. Modern science has so much, it has advanced so much that everybody is a patient.
Correct. And that's the whole idea about it. That's the whole idea about it.
बिल्कुल, मतलब 100%. on the spot.
That's modern science, absolutely. That's what modern science has done. It's a terrible thing that has happened. So unfortunately क्या करें, अब लोग मानते नहीं है. मेरे ऑफिस में भी कोई बीमार पड़ता है. Unfortunately, we have I think out of 100 people, 3 or 4 took the vaccination. So I'm sorry if you've taken the vaccination. अब ले लिया उसको detox करो. But I fought against the vaccination, man, and I had the Naturetarian group. And 96 people, we all had COVID. सबको COVID हुआ. मैंने बना कर दिया. मैंने कहा if there's COVID, you buggers, you come to office because you're a media company to have the license to run the offices. So लोग कहते थे कोविड में काम करा रहा है लोगों से. आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स कोविड में अगर वो काम करेगा ही विल स्टे बिजी. हाँ, अगर शरीर टूट रहा है तो अलग बात है, बट इफ यू आर बिजी यू विल रिकवर फास्टर. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन, दूसरे लोग पकड़ेंगे. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल स्प्रेड, एंड इफ इट स्प्रेड्स यू विल गेट इम्यूनिटी, एंड आफ्टर 3 days यू आर नॉर्मल. Everyone has had COVID and we've turned out normal. I was the only one when people were tested positive for COVID. मैं जाके लोगों से गले मिल रहा था, प्रीति. I was hugging people with COVID, and people thought I'd gone crazy. You know, you build your own immunity, and that's what it is. So we've got one more joining, Aarti Jain, who's looking like a model, at least on the DB. But if you put, right? So hi Aarti, how are you? Good to see you. Let me show off my view now. Since you're showing off your DP, let me show off my view 1 second. That's where I am right now. I'm at the Taj, and I'm sitting right next to the runway. And that's the lounge where I have my meetings. And that's the buffet spread, all of you. I shouldn't show you, but I'll still show you. That's the evening cocktail hours. And we have a meeting going. So I've just excused myself from the meeting so I can chat with you guys. हाँ, तो हम ये बता रहे थे, ये एक it's a very stupid thing that we've gotten into कि ब्रेकफास्ट करना है अच्छा, फिर लंच करना है अच्छा, फिर डिनर करना है. जितने भी डाइटिशियंस हैं जो महीने के, आई गॉट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु इज द सीईओ ऑफ एबीपी, उससे बात कर रहे थे अविनाश. ही पेज 50,000 रुपीज अ मंथ टू हिज डाइटिशियन. अविनाश को मैं बोले 50,000 में क्या दिया, क्योंकि आई नो हिम फॉर द लास्ट 15 years, but at least last 1 year we've been spending a lot of time. His waist is only grown from 45 to 50. बढ़ते जा रही है, वजन भी बढ़ते जा रहा है, और 2-3 महीने में एक बार बीमार भी पड़ जाता है. You know, but the dietitian tells him that in the morning have 1 badam, then have 2 almonds, and then have 1 juice, and then have cornflakes, and then have milk, and then have 3 eggs, have 1 yellow, and 1 white, and 1 pink, and then have cheese, and then have this, and then have that. Nonsense है. तुम्हारा शरीर बताएगा तुम्हें क्या खाना है, dietitian बताएगा. And zero recovery. So ये एक मन का, and all the diets and everything that they design is around breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast में करना है, lunch में करना है, dinner में करना है. अरे यार तुम overweight हो तो input बंद कर दो ना. Big deal. It's as simple as that, right? So that's what it is. So good. So I've just broken my fast. I was feeling very heavy. Yesterday I had a OMAD in the evening. We had pakoras for dinner. And then I thought, yaar, skip hi kar leta to acha tha. So today I've been on a dry fast since morning. On the flight, I had some water, and just have landed here, so I'm having some cheese, and I have to go for an award ceremony, so I'll have some snacks and sleep up early. But I'm absolutely fine, not feeling hungry. I'm not feeling
Pankaj
hungry
bhai,
at all.
what made you get into naturopathy or research about it? What made you? आपका ध्यान इस तरफ कैसे बढ़ा?
I think एक genetic disorder भी कह सकते हैं इसको. क्योंकि they say by the time you realize your father was right, you have a son who believes you're wrong. So my dad was a big time naturopath. He was a professor, and वो खूब डांटते थे, मैं खूब गालियां देते थे कि नीम करा करो, ये करा करो, nature principles follow करा करो, put off the air conditioning, do this, do that. They used to tell us tons of things which I was not listening to him at that point in time, and I was quite a rebel during my younger years. And a lot of things I can't say because this call is being recorded, but I started doing a lot of body abuse at the age of 14, 15. And by the time I was 20, someone introduced me to Kayam Churan. We daily Kayam Churan khao. I had that for 14, 15 years, and that built a lot of problems. 2019 was the changing point, Yakul, when my back packed up. Ek din I had this East European girl who was my coach for Pilates. So I was doing Pilates, and achanak something happened on my back. And man, I thought it broke. I thought it broke. And then I was in bed for a week, and then all these doctors, don't bend forward, don't bend backward, don't left, don't right, painkiller खाओ, MRI करो, ये करो. ये ड्रामा चलता है क्या 5-6 महीने. उसके बाद मुझे एक बारी I met a producer. He's called some Bakshi guy. He's again a Bollywood producer. I bumped into him in Bombay. So he told me, you come. Arbaz Khan nahi hai. Arbaz is he connected. So Arbaz had the same back issues. So we met Bakshi, and then I went and Bakshi की एक किताब पढ़ी थी. उसमें लिखा था ये जोड़ों का दर्द. एक पुरानी सी किताब नहीं होती ना जिसमें कागज पीला सा हो जाता है. तो उसमें वात लिखा था, और वात दोष के नीचे लिखा था कमर का दर्द, पीठ का दर्द, घुटनों में दर्द. फिर मेरे को समझ आया, मैंने कहा तो यही दर्द तो मुझे होता है, वात क्या होता है. देन आई एंडेड अप कोइंसिडेंटली अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन इनवाइटेड अस फॉर अ कॉन्फ्रेंस जहाँ वात पित्त कफ का ये निखिल मेहता वाज देयर, ही वाज डूइंग, सो आई अटेंडेड दैट. फिर मेरा इंटरेस्ट बनता चला गया. फिर मैं वेंट टू निरामिया, आई मेट बाबा रामदेव, आई मेंट टू अदर मेनी प्लेसेस. देन इट टुक मी बाय 2021 I understood, और 2020 ओनली, कोविड जब आया था 2020 तक मैं समझ गया सब झोल है, कुछ नहीं है, सब झोल है. Everything can be cured. And COVID में what happened, Yakul, I have a lawn in the other house in Noida. There were no maids. नौकर वौकर आने बंद हो गए. I used to like my lawn clean like a golf course. नहीं तो मेरा मन नहीं करता. सो उसमें फिर साफ करना है, क्योंकि ऊपर से पत्ते गिरेंगे, साफ कौन करेगा, मेड तो है नहीं. तो फिर मेरी बैक धीरे धीरे इंप्रूव हो रही थी, तो मैंने झाड़ू मारना शुरू किया. एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग द झाड़ू, आई यूज स्क्वाट. यू कांट डू झाड़ू स्टैंडिंग ना, वो तो स्क्वाट करना पड़ता है नीचे. मैं ऐसे 3-4 दिन स्क्वाट किया. एंड वन डे माय डॉटर वेंट आउट एंड आई वांटेड टू स्टॉप हर. डोंट रन. एंड आई वेंट टू स्टॉप हर. आई स्टार्टेड रनिंग बिहाइंड हर. I said, oh my God, मैं कल तक मतलब a week ago I was in bed, I couldn't walk, and today I'm running. हाँ हाँ मैं नहा धो के आऊंगा. I'll give you some time. So basically, I started running, and I was so happy. I was so happy that I've cured myself. And then I understood everything is about the gut. फिर मैंने आयुर्वेद के काफी पढ़ा, काफी लोगों से बात की, काफी एक्सपीरियंस किया. Then I ended up talking to people, guiding 1%, 2%, 3%. करते करते फिर बढ़ते चले गए. अब करीबन 500-700 लोगों के साथ तो इंटरेक्शन हो गया है. And touchwood, out of 500, I think out of 500, everyone who has followed, I mean, I would have introduced at least some 2,000 people or 3,000 people, out of which 500 have followed on an average. But out of 500 who has followed, there is a 100% success rate. It's just letting the body do. और अब कई लोग पूछते हैं मैं क्यों करता हूँ. बहुत बड़ा इंटरेस्ट है. इट्स अ वेरी सेल्फिश इंटरेस्ट. आई मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स मैन. So if I ever go to Hoshiarpur, I would be very excited. I'll just be one phone call, bro, I'm coming.
Absolutely.
That is so cool. That is so thoughtful. That is so good. That's
so
a good
much
way to
fun.
look at it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all there is. So Chhatarpur, we've got Aarti. My farm is very near yours. My farm is in Kanganedi, Bijwasan. So that
Okay.
is about, I think, about half an hour from where you guys are.
Yeah.
So if I come towards,
come this side. Yeah.
yeah,
Come to
so
Chhatarpur
come
Mandir
there.
side and we catch up. At Dhanmil.
Yeah, I land day after tomorrow. So नहीं परसों मैं अगर land कर गया time पे, I'll give you a buzz. Otherwise, you meet us some
Definitely.
other time. I take a 4 o'clock Air India, land by 6 o'clock. So 7 o'clock I cross Malai Mandir in the patch. जो तुम्हारा वो होता है ना side का. So that's life. So it's good fun meeting new people and sharing knowledge and all. Yeah,
But
Preeti.
one thing, is that Preeti looks so slim now. Preeti, I remember you. Oh my God, you look really great.
Pankaj, he knows me well. We
Who?
are friends. You. so,
Oh,
so we know each other. But I have a question for you. I feel that the more I read about it, your weight is like a thermostat and not like a thermometer. So it somehow tries to bring you back to your original weight. I don't know whether that's in my subconscious mind, because after losing years, after everyone's subconsciously, I'm trying to get back to my old self of putting on the weight, up touching it.
Preeti, so I'll answer your question. Your body tries to bring you to the optimal ideal weight. जो तुम्हारे height के हिसाब से, तुम्हारे structure के हिसाब से है. That's what the body tries. Okay. But it's your habits of 3 meals a day which will bring you to the bad weight. So abhi, like Yakul is there, he doesn't feel like eating. आज तो पूरी आजादी थी, 1 meal a day का था ना. He could have eaten, मन नहीं किया तो skip मार दिया. और अभी क्या होगा, once you start gymming, exercising, फिर he will need more carbs, then he will eat. Same thing with, don't worry. Not the body weight, but the muscle has a fantastic memory. It's called a muscle memory. So if you're regularly gymming and pump weights and all, so I love my gymming. But when I take a break from my gym now, I haven't gymmed since Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4-5 दिन हो गए. लेकिन कल मैं अगर if I get a good night's sleep and tomorrow if I do my weights, I'll be pumped, man, in one day. So that's muscle memory. So don't worry about the body weight. It'll maintain. And now all of you who fasted for at least 9-10 days ना, तुम्हारे विल पावर इतना ज्यादा बन चुका है विल पावर that you guys can do anything. Aarti has a grin on her face.
I want to eat now. वो हो गया 9 days का juice, वो सब कुछ हो गया. अभी what do I do?
What's your weight?
I am 64.7 now.
Where do you start?
69. So I've lost 4.5, like almost 4.5 kgs.
Very nice. Very good, very good. And what was your target weight? You said you are 5 feet, if I remember correctly, right?
Yeah, and I want to
You
be at least 50 kgs. So that's still like good 15 kilos to go.
You can't continue the juicing अभी नहीं हो पा रहा?
मेरा ना भी maybe like I could take a छोटा सा break, like 2-3 days break and then start again, like full-fledged.
Okay,
I
so what
really
we'll do
want
is
to eat like a little bit.
don't get into cooked food. Start off with OMADs. Or start off with salads. Don't do OMADs, which basically means do some fruits, do some salads and juices, but no cooked food.
Okay. And in the salad, is that they usually put couscous or something? Is that allowed or no? That's
No
also cooked.
grains. No grains.
अच्छा. Okay.
सैलेड
ठीक.
में जो भी कच्ची सब्जी है या फल है, टमाटर, प्याज, खीरा, मूली, ये सब खाओ. और कोई भी अनाज, ग्रेन, एंड डोंट ईट एनीथिंग दैट इज इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम टर्की और फ्रॉम यूएस or from the jungles of Africa. Don't do all of the nonsense. Eat stuff that is local, regional, seasonal. ये डब्बों में आता है ना, sardines from France, the finest of
Yeah.
sardines.
We shouldn't
They're
eat
very
that.
lethal. No, I'm not suggesting sardines as in fish, but eat only local and seasonal, regional and seasonal. तो बहुत बढ़िया है. तुमने अभी 9 दिन फास्ट किया, तुम अभी 3 दिन get into salads, and on salads you can also have corn. So corn, you can boil corn.
Okay. That I
You
love.
can
I
have,
love sweet corn.
हाँ, तो have sweet corn soup, but no preservatives. and गलती से वो मत डाल देना उसमें.
Sunflower.
हाँ, गलती से भी मत डाल देना कॉर्नफ्लावर.
Okay.
उसको गाढ़ा करने के लिए डालते हैं ना पाउडर.
Yeah, cornflour डालते हैं. Okay.
जहर है, जहर है. इससे अच्छा तो नॉर्मल फ्रेश कॉर्न डाल के उसको थोड़ा गाढ़ा होने दो and enjoy it. Have mushroom soups, have mixed vegetable soups, have tomato soups, have all the soups that you want, but do not have anything which is grains. Grain khate Aarti, you will go back 1 week.
Okay.
Right? So you want
And
to
can I
continue.
put coconut milk and
Must
make
try.
something like a nine? Okay.
All the
Chicken.
Chhatarpur guys like very fancy stuff. Coconut milk,
No,
almond
coconut milk is
milk.
not fancy. No, in the gravy, like it becomes like a.
सब नकली है, सब नकली है. कोकोनट निकाल के खुद उसका कोकोनट मिल्क कर. Don't do any packet.
Preeti is
सब
also
नकली.
from Chhatarpur. You stop smiling there. She's my neighbor.
Don't put anything from a packet. It's all fake. Believe you.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Done.
ठीक है. Have only कच्चा सब्जी, पके फल, zero अनाज, zero dairy, and no meats. 3 दिन का ब्रेक ले ले आरती, and 3 दिन बाद let's get back to juicing for another week. So in the next 3 days plus 9 you'll have another 10 days gone. तेरे 3-4 किलो और जाएगा. अभी कितना बताया?
64.7.
हाँ. So in 10 days you'll have reached the 60 का mark. You'll have come below 60.
Really? So I'll follow
हो जाए.
juice only then. I don't want that thing also there.
नहीं हो जाए. That's what I'm saying. So I would suggest you follow juice, but if it's getting too difficult, I'm allowing you 3 days of raw.
Okay.
And then get
ठीक.
back to juicing. Once you cross the 16 RP, you will reach a zone where Yakul has achieved. तुम्हें से काफी कुछ समझ आएगा.
Yeah.
वो एक थ्रेशोल्ड होता है पहुंचने में, इसको हिंदी में
Yeah.
तपस्या बोलते हैं. वो तपने में टाइम लगता है. So I want you to cross that. And once you come 59, 58 kilos, एक जीवन का एक अलग ही मजा आएगा. You will have a beautiful experience with yourself. है ना?
Definitely.
I've got these new shades for myself. Let me wear them. So these are my new shades. So, guys, you gotta pack up. I've got to go for an award ceremony.
Okay, all right. All the best.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Yakul. God bless you. Meet tomorrow. Preeti, have fun. Take care. Aarti, you're looking very good. All of you are looking very good.
Thank
And always
you.
good to see you guys. Take care. God bless.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.